Hi guys, this is Astasha entertaining your mind one video at a time. Welcome back to my crazy world. I know you guys missed me. Firstly, I'm damn sorry because I've been very inconsistent on this page, but actually, too much has been happening. Before we start this video, you must have realized there's a new background. This is my own house. I am not traveling anywhere. You guys actually don't know how my old house looks, but here's a small snippet of how it actually looks. And then transition to my new house. It's not a new house, but just that my hall is renovated. Everything inside the rooms and everything are the same. Just that I renovated my hall for a better space to shoot, to make it more neutral, the colors, and I absolutely love it. Wait, I'm gonna show you around. Firstly, this flower is my favorite. I've given it like an autumn vibe. This sofa, this dad's like computer stays here. These walls, like a small dining table, my sofa, and the lamp, and this window because earlier I had like half a window, now I've made it like French windows. So finally, I have a good space to shoot. Also, wait, the flooring. It's like a little wooden. It feels like a very abroad kind of a hall, but like just with neutral colors. Okay, so the reason why I was not able to upload so much is because I traveled to the US. I'm sure you've seen my previous vlog. I had a surgery before that, and when I came back, I was so badly sunburned that I was in the whole healing process. I just needed to take a break, so I was not able to shoot anything. But now we're back. And we're back with something really fun because I have shopped a lot in US. Like a lot. I extended my trip. I did a lot of shopping. And this time we are going to do a proper US haul, which won't fit in one vlog. So we're going to do it in like 3 parts. So this part is going to be all my purses and my makeup products, which you don't generally get in India and I've bought there. With bags, I'm not someone who's like a very branded person, so you will not see like a LV or a Gucci, but like those normal, like good brands, but not very luxury. I've got some from like normal brands also. I'm just going to show you everything. This is the suitcase which I've got filled with everything, and now we're going to fix the phone there to shoot and show everything. We've got a lot of products, but I'm going to start with my most favorite. Let's start with makeup products because just I want to. I have with me something you don't get in India. Road. Literally road. I'm so happy that I decided to buy this. I was not really sure if I should get it or no. But then I just like it's there everywhere. And by the way, it's gonna come on Sephora now, which I'm really happy about, but I don't know when it's gonna come in India. It's by Hailey Bieber and it's packed really nicely. I don't want to spoil the packaging at all. Of course, I've got the Rhode lip balm. Goes without saying. The pink one. Let me just use it because I want to. It's nice. I like it. It's not too like greasy and it's nice. But the best part is wait, it's not just this. I have got the most viral product, which is the cover. I bought it. I just wanted to. I know you get dupes here in India, but I just wanted to buy the OG one. And I'm so happy I bought it. I've not opened it and I don't feel like opening it, guys, but like this goes inside it. I'm just gonna open it to show it to you all. Someday of the other, I need to start using this. This is what the cover looks like, okay? And I can't put my phone inside right now because like we're shooting. And I think this is how, oh my god, like this is how the lip balm goes inside. So cool. I love it. Guys, I'm so happy I bought this. It's going to be my new fave thing. Okay, then we've got the blush, of course, the pocket blush, which everyone has been talking about. I love the gray and the brown. Like, I just love the color of this thing. It looks like this small little thing. And you like roll it to get it up, of course. I'm just going to apply a little. Oops, too much came out, I think. I'll just apply it on the other side, otherwise I'll look like a fool. Why do I feel I've applied too much? I just feel like I'm so possessive about all my things. Like I just want it to be perfect. Nice. I like the pigment. I just think I need to put a little more when I'm going out. Right now I've just like tried it on. I mean, see, I love the blush. It's really nice. But I think we get like similar ones here in Bombay. So like, it's nothing like extraordinary. The glazing milk is the most famous product of Rhode. I hope there's nothing else. Maybe they've just given something complimentary. Now, this is something which I can't try, but I'm going to use this often and actually give you all like a proper review of this. But this is like the glazing milk, which everyone uses. And I've heard a lot of reviews about them. I'm like super excited to use this. You just want to see the texture, but I don't know how I'll show it to you, but like, can you see like it little falling? Yeah, I can't like apply it right now, but you can see it here. It's like this white thing. Excited. We next move on to my favorite thing. I'm so happy I got this. I'm not overreacting, guys. I got this from K-Skin, Vinnie Harlow's brand. Everyone knows I have vitiligo, and I absolutely love Vinnie Harlow. She's a model who has vitiligo. She's always been my inspiration. I can't wait to meet her someday. And when I went to US, I knew like this is the first thing I ordered. Like I knew I had to try her products because we specifically people with vitiligo, we need like a proper amount and a really good sunscreen to use. And I knew like her products are definitely worth it. I also have like a thing from Vinnie Harlow which says, having vitiligo has made me passionate about creating daily sun care and skincare products that protect, nourish, illuminate all skin tones, types, and conditions. No heaviness, no pore clogging ingredients, no white cast ever. Founder Vinnie Harlow. I'm gonna like save this. I need to keep this for the rest of my life because it's Vinnie Harlow. Guys, the day I meet Vinnie Harlow, it's the thing. So we have the sunscreen drops. Of course, I had to buy the sunscreen drop without fail. SPF 30. Cute packaging. It's like a neutral color, like brown and beige. Let's check the consistency. I knew it would be like that. I like it, but I like this consistency. I like the size. It can be taken anywhere. I've not tried and tested. I'm going to try this out and see if it actually saves me from the sunscreen. I'm probably traveling again. Let's see. I'll just use it there. This is how it looks. And nice, dude. I like the texture. And see, I like the texture. I'm not going to put it on my face right now because I'm just going to feel weird otherwise shooting. There's no like fragrance and all to it. I like products which have no fragrance. So it's nice. It's not even sticky. It's not even like greasy, nothing. Yay, I'm excited to use it. We then have the Glow Face Lotion. Let's use this. Nice. I like this whole brown monochrome vibe. Okay, so I think the best part about them is they have like SPF and everything. This has SPF 45. You like do that. And this is how it looks. I like it. It has SPF, but again, I feel there are a lot of products here as well which have the same kind of formulation. It feels the same. So, I mean, it's not something like I would go and definitely 100% rebuy. Like, I have similar products here in India which I could also buy. But nice. I'm happy I bought this. This also has no fragrance. And this is also not greasy at all. Like, it's not sticky, nothing. Thank you, Vinnie Harlow. I can't wait to meet you someday. Okay, these two products together were for 6,000 rupees. Now, let's move to the next one. Let's move to the stuff I got from Sephora. But before that, I just want to show you this random pimple patch I bought. It has like dogs and cats and animals. I just found it really cute and it was for like $1, which is 80 rupees. So I just bought it. We have stuff from Sephora. Let's remove it all. I'm so happy. I mean, I was not even someone who used to love makeup products. I'm just so happy looking at everything. It's so cute. By the way, Tanisha has convinced me to buy so many lip balms. It's insane. I had to actually leave a few because I thought I'll go crazy buying them. Let's start with my most favorite looking thing, which is the Dior Peptide. It's like the Dior Addict Lip Glow Butter. Are you ready to see how it looks? Dude, wow. Why am I overreacting to everything? But it's so pretty. Just look at this. Look at the color. So everyone buys the pink, but the pink one was out of stock everywhere. And I thought of trying something new, which was like the lavender one. This is how the top part looks. I'm just going to apply a little to show you all. You can't see it much in that camera, I think, but you can see it here. And I am very happy I bought this. It's like, it's a little expensive. The whole thing is for like 3,000 rupees, but I think it's worth it. Whoever goes to US, all are free to buy this for me. I'll be happy. The next one is the Fenty Bomb Sticks, Gloss Bomb Sticks, Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Sticks. Tanisha has convinced me to buy these, and I'm really grateful for Tanisha at this point because I bought so much because of her. This is how it looks. You don't get this in India. I wanted the pink shade in this, didn't get it. Okay, this is how it looks. I don't know if you can see it, the shiny bit. I'm not gonna try this because I already have the Dior one, but let me put it here and just show you all. No, you can't really see the shine here also, yeah. Like, I'm gonna apply it in one of my videos or something, and then you'll be able to see it. Because right now you won't be able to see the shimmery thing that comes on it. Or do you just want me to eat my Dior gloss? I was looking like a fool right now. It smells so good. I'm sure you can see the shine. Like, definitely. Dude, imagine applying this on like any lip color. Wow. I love it. Thank you, Tanisha. I love you for this. So I bought two shades in this. One is the Fenty Glow, and the second is Fussy. It's like a pinkish shade. Let's move on to the Glossier, the lip liner. I wanted like a brownish shade, so I've gone for this. And I'm gonna like draw a line here and show you. How do I show you? Yeah, can you see the line, the brown line? Pretty shade. I'm into like browns and nudes. This is the Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint. I wanted to buy a skin tint which matches my skin color. As usual, I never get one. Hoping this one looks good and I can use it often. So this is, you get like a serum kind of a bottle, and you can use it like daily. It doesn't really matter. Okay, you like take a pump and then you're just gonna see, it's matching my skin. Like, can you see I've applied something? No, na. It's like very skin type, my skin type. I like it. Another good buy, I think. Next is, what is this? The Glossier face brush. Okay, I just got this face brush. It was not really needed, but I thought it's something which you can use when, like, you know, you're putting like foundation and stuff. I don't really know how you open this. I'm really sad. This doesn't open. Oh, you press it and you open it. Dude, I love this. I'm so happy. You like use it for your foundation. Damn cool. And then you shut it back like that. And next time I go abroad, I'm just gonna buy makeup. I get so many makeup products, but I don't know why. I just want to buy makeup products. Okay, this is the Gisou lip oil. Again, convinced by Tanisha to buy. It looks like this. Earlier, like the smell from here, what used like the smell of the lip oil used to be very bad, but now they've like changed it. I'm not gonna apply it on my Fenty gloss, but it's really nice, guys. Trust me, I wouldn't otherwise buy this. What this is basically a setting spray. It's called One Size, and I've seen that people use this. There were two types. One was for like a glass finish, and one was for a matte finish. I don't generally use glass finish because I'm already so fair, and I don't like that extreme shine on my face. So this one is which stays for a really long time, and it's waterproof. I think it's good for places in India. I really like this product, so I'm gonna use it. And yes, this is all about my makeup. It was not too much, it was decent. Okay, let's move on to the purses. I'm gonna show you all my purses. I bought like 4-5 of them. Not very expensive, just from normal brands. Okay, this is my first bag, which is a very big bag. It also has a chain inside. It opens straight from here. Ooh, I have jewelry inside. Sorry. But anyway, this is the bag. It was for, I think, 3,000 rupees. It's from like this local brand in US called Windsor. I think it can go on a lot of outfits, like full black, full white, and it can look really pretty. Okay, the next one is this. I just love this whole furry little, it's not furry, but like this whole cloth. I like it. It's like you open it and you stuff things inside it. This I bought for, so there is this brand called TJ Maxx in US where you get like branded stuff but from like one season pehle. But you know, you get everything very very cheap. So probably this one was for like 1500 rupees, and I just thought, you know, it's like really cute and can go on different outfits. Now I feel in this creator life, like you need to like dress different always, you need to wear so many things, you need to take different bags with you. So it's something which I would personally use. I then have this small Kate Spade purse. I really needed a purse, and this I bought for like I think 3000 rupees. I like this blue color. Again, this I bought from like a factory outlet in New Jersey. It's called Jersey Mall. Again, you get everything of like 1 year pehle ka season. So this is not like from the new collection, but I'm okay with it. Like I just needed something. I just needed a purse. So I think it's perfect. We then have this Versace jeans couture, which is gifted by my aunt who stays in US. I just really love the bag, so I'm going to show it to you because I love the color. Like, can you see it? It's like a red color. It looks so pretty, and it has a thing to carry it with. I can't see the price here, I'm sorry, but it's just very pretty. Next is, we have this. This is from Tory Burch. I think this is the most expensive bag I bought from US. This is around 12,000 rupees, I think. But something different probably wouldn't get here. I don't know if you get this color here, but it looks like this. It's silver. It's just, I don't have words for it, it's just nice. And this can honestly, like, literally again go on everything. Like when I go abroad, I don't generally buy stuff which I would get here easily, you know, unless the price, there's like a very big price difference. I tend to get stuff which you probably wouldn't get here. And this is one of that. I don't know where I'm going to fit in my bag. But yeah. The next purse, again, this is from that local brand named Windsor. I got this for 1500 rupees. I just really love the shade because it's beige. It will go on, again, it just goes on everything. Why do I say it goes on everything? I've not even styled it yet. But this is for around 1500 rupees. Fully worth it. I like it. And this can go on like Indian or Western, like both. We then have a bag from Michael Kors. I used to love Michael Kors, but now I'm not a very big fan of MK. Like, I love it, but there are other brands as well. But this particular bag, I just love it. I mean, come on guys, just look at it. I looked at it and it was like love at first sight. This is such a pretty bag. I don't know if like a normal person would use it. Like, would you use it on your normal day-to-day life? No, of course. You would just use it at parties because it's too flashy. But for someone like me, I think you need sometimes those flashy kind of things. So, love. This was for 4,000 or 5,000 rupees. 4,000, 5,000 rupees, I don't remember. We then have my last purse from Tory Burch, which I got in 10,000 rupees. So I really use like big bags in my day-to-day life because I put a lot of things in it. I have my mic, I have my phones, I have my camera, I have 100 things inside it. And I take food, I carry like some like basic makeup and everything. So this is from Tory Burch again. It's a plain bag, you know, like waterproof, which won't get spoiled in the rain as well. And it's just simple. There's nothing extraordinary about it. But, you know, I always buy bags which are like more branded over here because, you know, what happens is that I end up using it for a really long time. So I want brands which would last me at least 2 to 3 years minimum. I also, since, I mean, I'm doing jewelry in the next one, but I have this one thing here which I bought from Tory Burch. It's really cute. I like it, so I'll just show it here. This is like, you know, something you can wear with your watch. Like, it has the Tory Burch logo, and it's like golden and white in color. Let's do the last one of this vlog, which is my watch. It's from Movado. I didn't want to spend too much on my watch, which means that everyone has a different budget, of course. I didn't want to spend like lakhs on my watch, but I wanted a good watch. It's generally better to spend good on a watch because there's no point spending like 2-3 thousand and then it's not lasting for a long time for you. And plus, we constantly keep using it, so I had to spend decent amount. This watch costed me, I think, 20,000. It looks like this, guys, and it is for 20,000 rupees. We got it at a discount, and I think it's quite pretty. It looks really nice on my hand. It will take me 5 minutes to wear, so I don't think I should waste time in that. But yeah, you can see me pose with it. Just imagine like this to be in my hand. It'll go on all outfits again because it's a silver color. I actually wanted something golden, but I didn't get a golden watch. Probably I'll buy something here from India. Already have a silver watch, but I just like this. I like the whole style. I like the whole band of it. And yeah, this was my 1/3 shopping, which I've shown you in this vlog. In the next one, I'll show you my clothes and maybe jewelry, or clothes and some heels and stuff. And then in the next one, whatever is remaining. So this is the end of the vlog. I hope you liked the stuff I bought. Let's see if I can try the makeup products and give you honest reviews on my shots. I can't promise you, but I will definitely try. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you like my vlogs, please go like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.